Isabelle Duterte, daughter of Davao City 1st District Representative Paolo Duterte, has achieved a new academic milestone after earning her Master of International Relations degree from the University of Sydney, one of Australia's most prestigious universities. The solemn graduation rites were held at the university's Great Hall, where Isabelle, wearing a traditional black academic gown with orange and black hood trim, walked across the stage to receive her diploma amid applause from the audience. Her proud father, Representative Paolo Duterte, was among those in attendance, personally witnessing his daughter's achievement. It's one of those moments every parent dreams of. You could see the pride on Congressman Duterte's face as Isabelle received her degree. Education has always been something the family values deeply, a family member said. Isabelle's academic journey in Australia began several years ago when she completed her undergraduate degree in international relations at Macquarie University. Her pursuit of a master's degree in the same field demonstrates her growing passion for understanding global affairs, diplomacy, and international cooperation. According to university program details, the Master of International Relations at the University of Sydney is a rigorous postgraduate course designed to train students in global policy analysis, security studies, and the political dynamics shaping the world today. For Isabelle, it represents more than an academic credential. It is a bridge between her Filipino heritage and her exposure to the wider international community. Representative Paolo Duterte, who has often kept family matters private, took time off from his congressional duties to attend the ceremony in Sydney. Sources close to the family said he was beaming with pride as he joined other graduates' families in celebrating the event. The lawmaker has been known for his active involvement in various local development programs in Davao City, but remains equally supportive of his children's educational pursuits abroad. With her second postgraduate degree completed, Isabelle is expected to explore opportunities related to international development, public service, or diplomacy, areas closely aligned with her field of study. Observers note that her growing academic credentials, coupled with her global exposure, may eventually pave the way for a more public role in the years to come. For now, however, the Duterte family is content to celebrate a milestone built on years of hard work, sacrifice, and quiet determination. Embattled former President Rodrigo Duterte may be facing tough times, but he isn't alone in his fight. His family is rallying behind him. The latest kin to show love and support is Isabelle Duterte, granddaughter of the former leader. Isabelle hailed Duterte's sacrifice, saying his service to the Filipino nation is unwavering and selfless. She has vowed to defend his name and honor amid the injustice he has endured. Lolo, just 2 weeks till the shy of your 80th birthday, you reminded all of us once again of the importance of putting the country first, no matter the cost. Salamat sa imong sakripisyo and for your unwavering, selfless service to the nation. I will make it my life's mission to ensure that your service to the Filipino people is never forgotten. This injustice will not fade from memory, she said. She also promised to defend Duterte's name, saying the former leader had always acted with the belief that what you do is and was for the greater good of our country. I stand with you, my Lolo, my hero, she said. Duterte has been arrested at the Manila airport and flown to The Hague to face the International Criminal Court. He has been accused of alleged crimes against humanity in relation to his controversial war on drugs. The government claimed the arrest warrant issued by the ICC was sent via the Interpol, which it claimed was obligated to comply. Duterte earlier protested his illegal arrest, filing a petition before the Supreme Court to stop the government's cooperation with the ICC since Manila is no longer a member of the body. Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 vlogs.